Top 10 Market Predictions for 2025 by HashKey Group. The cryptocurrency landscape has entered a pivotal moment in its history, with 2025 positioned as a defining year for its growth trajectory. In this video, we delve into the top 10 market predictions for 2025, curated by HashKey Group, one of the foremost authorities on blockchain and cryptocurrency. With insights drawn from nearly 50,000 community members globally, this report offers a visionary perspective on the golden decade of Web3. Let's walk through these forecasts to understand how they could shape the future of digital assets. HashKey Group shares a bold outlook on the crypto market, embracing innovation and collaboration as the industry matures. These predictions provide clarity amidst speculation, giving crypto enthusiasts a detailed understanding of where the market could head. From groundbreaking price forecasts to transformative infrastructure changes, these insights position 2025 as a year of substantial evolution for cryptocurrency. Before diving into the predictions, let's explore the methodology behind them. The key differentiator here is HashKey's commitment to community input. Nearly 50,000 crypto participants provided perspectives, allowing the group to analyze trends holistically. Their forecasts reflect real-time data, market sentiment, and strategic foresight based on tangible developments in the blockchain ecosystem. Let's start with the growth predictions that have captured significant attention. A bullish outlook underscores this year. Bitcoin is expected to cross the $300,000 threshold, continuing to solidify its dominance in the crypto space. Similarly, Ethereum is projected to exceed $8,000, reflecting the sustained confidence in its ecosystem, particularly with a surge in decentralized applications, dApps. More broadly, the entire crypto market is anticipated to breach a $10 trillion valuation. This remarkable projection highlights the expanding engagement across crypto sectors, from retail traders to institutional investors. It cements the idea that cryptocurrency is increasingly viewed as a viable alternative to traditional asset classes. Decentralized exchanges are predicted to grow exponentially, challenging the dominance of centralized platforms. Leveraging innovative technologies like AI, DEX could enhance user experience and liquidity further. Another critical factor contributing to their appeal includes meme culture integration, which fosters community engagement. With reduced reliance on intermediaries, DEX align well with the ethos of decentralization, offering a layer of transparency as trading volumes grow. But where does this leave centralized exchanges? They're not disappearing, they're evolving. HashKey views CEX as entities that will increasingly embrace decentralized finance, DeFi, principles. From offering high-yield capital products to integrating DeFi-like mechanisms, such exchanges are likely to innovate to retain relevance. This alignment signals a synergy rather than rivalry, addressing users' needs for security and liquidity while attempting to regain lost market share. Stablecoins, particularly USD-pegged ones, continue their upward journey. Their market cap is projected to surpass $300 billion by 2025, largely due to calls for compliance and the growing need for real-world asset, or linked tokens. From making cross-border payments quicker to providing liquidity to DeFi ecosystems, stablecoins are bridging traditional finance with blockchain. This trend underscores their pivotal role in supporting the financial architecture of the Web3 era. The next big story? Regulation. Compliance is no longer optional. It is becoming integral to crypto's large-scale adoption. Advances in legislation, such as the FIT21 Act, could help standardize practices and bolster investor protection. While regulators were once viewed as detractors, there is now a visible shift toward fostering innovation without compromising accountability. Global cryptocurrency legalization driven by comprehensive frameworks is a trend crypto enthusiasts cannot ignore. 2025 is not just about scaling, it's about innovating. HashKey predicts that artificial intelligence will make deeper inroads into the cryptocurrency industry. From risk management to dynamic pricing systems, AI's contribution will extend beyond efficiency improvements. It will create intuitive products like crypto finance ETFs and security token offerings, STOs, designed to cater to both seasoned and emerging investors. These new vehicles offer flexibility while driving an influx of capital into the space, benefiting entire ecosystems. Speaking of capital influx, let's address HashKey's projection. A $3 trillion wave of new investments. Both institutional and retail investors are anticipated to spur this movement. Why? Because the market's infrastructure is maturing. The introduction of safer investment pathways, such as ETFs tailored to crypto assets, echoes the growth seen in traditional finance markets. With attractive yields and diversified holdings, the crypto economy could witness its most significant monetary inflows yet. HashKey also foresees fundamental shifts in blockchain scaling solutions. Layer 2 technologies will experience bifurcation. On one hand, there will be application-specific chains, expertly designed for niche use cases. On the other, general-purpose Layer 2 chains will persist, catering to broader scenarios. This diversification is pivotal in addressing Ethereum's scaling challenges and optimizing blockchain performance while keeping transaction fees low. Positioning Bitcoin as part of the U.S. strategic reserves may sound ambitious, but HashKey believes the idea represents transformative financial thinking. Beyond its role as digital gold, integrating Bitcoin into sovereign reserves solidifies its credibility as an asset not only for the private sector but also for national economies. Bitcoin's strategic importance will likely amplify dialogue surrounding its adoption in macro-financial policies, further legitimizing its presence on a global scale. Navigating this transformative era requires regulatory alignment, a sentiment echoed throughout the predictions. Dr. Qiao Feng, chairman and CEO of HashKey, emphasizes that regulatory collaboration is imperative. The message is clear: stakeholders must adhere to guidelines while embracing the spirit of innovation. Harmonizing traditional finance with crypto will not only boost adoption, but also ensure sustainable growth. Decentralized finance remains crypto's most ambitious experiment, evolving year after year. With 2025, DeFi is expected to deepen its collaboration with traditional finance. Compliance and transparency are becoming its cornerstones, setting the stage for long-term trust building among broader audiences. This movement also paves the way for decentralized networks to integrate directly into real-world applications, such as lending and asset management. When discussing 2025, the conversation naturally shifts toward NFTs and the metaverse. HashKey envisions a year where NFTs transcend their roots as digital collectibles and permeate real-world industries like entertainment and real estate. Similarly, metaverse platforms will expand their decentralized infrastructure, integrating immersive virtual experiences with blockchain-based financial systems. This evolution creates economic opportunities within virtual economies. Real-world asset tokenization is poised for explosive growth. By bringing tangible assets like real estate, commodities, and financial instruments onto blockchain platforms, more investors are drawn into the ecosystem. HashKey predicts that 2025 could solidify this trend, making tokenized RBOAs a mainstream investment option while increasing liquidity across traditionally illiquid markets. From supply chain systems to enterprise payments, blockchain adoption by traditional industries is expected to ramp up. Organizations are increasingly recognizing the potential efficiencies and security offered by distributed ledger technology. More importantly, enterprise adoption integrates blockchain into everyday operations, ensuring that Web3 technologies find practical applications on a global scale. Institutional investors will play a vital role in legitimizing and scaling the crypto economy. With vehicles like regulated ETFs and approved investment channels, HashKey predicts an institutional resurgence, a point underscored by their $3 trillion in flux projections. As these large players navigate toward reliable and compliant opportunities within the industry, they will foster stability while accelerating mainstream acceptance. 2025 is on track to be a cornerstone year for the cryptocurrency world, as projected by HashKey's strategic vision. The combination of large-scale adoption, technical progress, and institutional involvement signals a transformative era for the market. HashKey's predictions emphasize collaboration, compliance, and innovation, all of which are crucial for the industry's long-term sustainability. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just beginning your blockchain journey, the opportunities ahead are immense. Let's shape the future of finance together as we step into the golden decade of Web3.